Hi there, welcome back. Why use the two-step process of copy and paste when you can use a different and faster way instead? That is what I'm going to demonstrate today. Here is how you can copy and move data in various ways. So let's dive in. Look at these tables on the sheet. Highlight the range and from any edge, drag with the mouse and paste it somewhere there. It moves quickly with this technique. Undo with Ctrl Z. If you want to make a copy of this table, highlight the cells again, hold down the Ctrl key and drag any edge. We made a copy of this table. Now let's suppose we want to move this table to an empty worksheet. If you are going to transfer to the other sheet, we hold down Alt as we drag it. Notice the lower left corner, drag inside the selection to clear cell. Once we get to the other sheet, we can release it. Alt. Now press Ctrl Z and go back to the data sheet. Finally, we are going to use the right mouse to move the table. Hold down the right mouse button and drag this data somewhere else. The right mouse button brings up a shortcut menu. So when you let go the right mouse button, here is a menu you want to copy. For example, so select this option. Perfect. I hope you can commit some of these shortcuts to memory. As you put them into practice, you will navigate and maintain your worksheet more effectively. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.